Imagine a future where we can grow crops without the need for soil. Where we can cultivate fresh, nutrient-rich produce all year round, regardless of the climate or geographical limitations. Hydroponics is the answer, and today, we're diving deep into this remarkable system that is reshaping our relationship with food. But before we start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, publish it, and press the like button, as this helps us a lot in publishing more wonderful inventions and more technology. In a world where our resources are dwindling and our population is booming, finding sustainable solutions to feed ourselves has become a pressing challenge. But what if I told you that there's a revolutionary farming method that could change the way we grow our food? Welcome to the world of hydroponics, a groundbreaking technique that is transforming agriculture as we know it. Hydroponics is a soilless farming method that relies on nutrient-rich water to nourish plants directly. By providing a controlled environment, hydroponics optimizes plant growth, resulting in faster growth rates, higher yields, and superior nutritional value. But it's not just about efficiency. Hydroponics offers a multitude of benefits that are shaking up the agricultural industry. Hydroponics eliminates the need for vast amounts of land, making it ideal for urban areas where space is limited. We can now transform rooftops, basements, and even abandoned warehouses into productive gardens. It's a game changer for food security, allowing us to grow food closer to where it's consumed, reducing transportation costs and carbon emissions. The versatility of hydroponics is staggering. From nutrient film technique, NFT, systems to deep water culture, DWC. From aeroponics to vertical farming, there are countless ways to implement this technique. Whether you're a small-scale hobbyist or a large-scale commercial farmer, hydroponics can be adapted to fit your needs and aspirations. But it's not just about leafy greens and herbs. Hydroponics opens doors to a world of possibilities, enabling us to grow fruits, vegetables, and even exotic plants that were once limited by geography or climate. Imagine harvesting juicy tomatoes in the middle of winter, or savoring freshly picked strawberries all year round. With hydroponics, it's all within reach. One of the most fascinating aspects of hydroponics is the level of control it provides. By precisely managing nutrient levels, pH balance, and lighting conditions, farmers can tailor the growing environment to each plant's specific needs. This means healthier plants, fewer pests and diseases, and ultimately, less reliance on harmful pesticides and herbicides. The success stories from hydroponic farmers around the globe are truly inspiring. From empowering local communities to providing fresh produce in food deserts, hydroponics has become a catalyst for change. It's a means to revolutionize our food systems, promote sustainability, and create a more resilient future. But hydroponics is not just for the seasoned farmer, it's an educational tool that fosters innovation and curiosity. Schools and universities are incorporating hydroponics into their curriculums, exposing the next generation to this transformative technology. They're learning about plant biology, water conservation, and the power of sustainable agriculture. Historical roots. Although hydroponics is often seen as a cutting-edge farming technique, its roots can be traced back thousands of years. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, are believed to have used a form of hydroponics to cultivate plants in a desert environment. DIY hydroponics. In addition to commercially available hydroponic systems, there is a vibrant DIY, do-it-yourself, culture within the hydroponics community. Many enthusiasts build their own hydroponic setups using easily accessible materials and creative solutions. DIY hydroponics allows for customization and experimentation, making it an accessible option for those on a budget or with a passion for hands-on projects. Hydroponic challenges. While hydroponics offers numerous advantages, it is not without its challenges. Maintaining optimal nutrient balance, preventing root diseases, and managing system failures are some of the obstacles that hydroponic farmers may encounter. What are the benefits? 1. Hydroponics in developing countries. hydroponics has shown great potential in addressing food security issues in developing countries. By providing an efficient and controlled growing system, hydroponics can help communities overcome challenges related to arid climates, limited land availability, and soil degradation. It offers opportunities for self-sufficiency and economic empowerment in regions with agricultural limitations. 2. Economic viability of hydroponics. Hydroponics can be a financially viable farming method. With its high yield potential and efficient use of resources, hydroponics can generate consistent income for farmers. Additionally, the ability to grow high-value crops and specialty produce offers opportunities for niche markets and premium pricing. It also supports local economies by creating job opportunities and strengthening regional food systems. 3. Nutrient precision. One of the key advantages of hydroponics is the ability to precisely control the nutrient composition delivered to the plants. By monitoring and adjusting the nutrient solution, farmers can ensure that plants receive optimal levels of essential minerals, resulting in faster growth, enhanced flavor, and improved nutritional content. 4. Year-round production. With hydroponics, seasonal limitations no longer apply. By providing artificial lighting and temperature control, farmers can simulate ideal growing conditions regardless of the time of year. This allows for year-round production of crops, reducing dependency on imports and providing a consistent supply of fresh produce. 5. Pest and disease control. Hydroponic systems are inherently less susceptible to pests and diseases compared to traditional soil-based farming. Without soil, many common pests and pathogens are eliminated or easier to manage. This reduces the reliance on chemical pesticides, creating a safer and more sustainable approach to agriculture. 6. Environmental sustainability. Hydroponics offers numerous environmental benefits. It requires less land, reduces water usage, and minimizes the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Additionally, hydroponic systems can incorporate renewable energy sources such as solar panels to power lighting and climate control systems, further reducing the carbon footprint of food production. 7. Local food production. Hydroponics promotes the concept of localized food production, where fresh produce is grown and consumed within the same community. This reduces the distance food travels, leading to fresher products, reduced transportation emissions, and increased food security. 8. Space exploration and hydroponics. Hydroponics has garnered significant interest from space agencies like NASA. In space exploration, where resources are limited, hydroponics offers a viable solution for growing fresh food on long-duration missions. It provides astronauts with a sustainable source of nutrition and oxygen production while minimizing the need for resupply missions from Earth. 9. Collaboration with traditional agriculture. Hydroponics can complement traditional farming methods and contribute to a more resilient and sustainable food system. By incorporating hydroponic techniques alongside conventional agriculture, farmers can diversify their operations, increase productivity, and reduce environmental impact. In conclusion, hydroponics is more than just a farming technique, it's a pathway to a sustainable and bountiful future. By harnessing the power of water, nutrients, and innovation, we can grow fresh and nutritious food in any environment, all while conserving resources and reducing our ecological footprint. Thank you for joining us on this journey.